guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses once again. So today we're going to be talking about collagen and what my experience has been with it so far, taking it for a month. I have a 30-day update for you guys with before and after pictures included. If this is something you are interested in, stay tuned and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm NanaYaa. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, join the family. Let's keep growing. Make sure you give me a very big thumbs up. It helps me in the algorithm. It lets YouTube know that you like content like this, and also tells me that you enjoy content like this, so I should keep them coming. Okay, all right, so now let's get into the video for today and the reason why you're here. So I was taking collagen for a month, and I did state in my relaxer update video that one of the things I was going to be doing to grow back my hair after my haircut was take certain hair growth supplements, and one of the supplements I mentioned was collagen. So I'm about to tell you guys like my experience with taking it, what happened and all of that. By the way, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. Whatever links that I'm going to be providing, you can check them out if you want to. Again, not sponsored. If you're in Ghana, I'll be providing some online shops that you can say hi to them and they'll make sure they get you some of the collagen. If you are in the States or in the UK, I'll really try to find some links on Amazon and stuff like that to link them, but it's still not sponsored. Anyway, now that we've gotten that part out of the way, I was taking this for 30 days. Like I said, I was going to be taking it for. Let's start with the taste, shall we? The taste is, if you are somebody who's never tried it before, it's quite different, but it's pretty much tasteless. You can deal with it. It's nothing that you should be scared of. It actually melts quite well even in cold water. So I will take a scoop, put in my water, leave it for it to dissolve on its own, or if I'm in a hurry, sometimes I'll give it a quick stir, do whatever I have to do, and then come back and drink it. The instructions say to drink it 30 minutes, and within 30 minutes before you eat anything that has protein in it. Also, you can take it at night if you've eaten like some hours prior, so that it doesn't interact with the protein that your body's absorbing from your food. Anyways, I was taking this. I usually used to take this in the morning, so I'll mix it up sometimes before I go to bed or before I take a shower. So I mix it up, I take a shower, I come back, it's already melted, and I just drink it. And it's quite easy to drink. It doesn't really have a disgusting taste. I did not take it with vitamin C because I want to see how it performs on its own without any extra help. But like I mentioned earlier, I am anemic, so yes, I was taking iron supplements within this period, but it's not something that like really had much of an impact when I was taking this. Okay, moving on. Another thing that I noticed was that my breakouts used, like the scarring for my breakouts used to heal faster. I have a bad habit of scratching my acne. Whenever I have pimples, I pop them and then they scar a lot. So I have a lot of scars on my face underneath my makeup. But one thing I realized is that this time they were healing quite quickly. Even though yes, some of the scars are still on my face. The period within which I scratch it to the period within which it becomes like a scab was much faster than it usually does. Okay, so now my nails, it didn't really do much for my nails, I have to be honest. Even though, well, technically it kind of did, because usually when I grow my nails out, it doesn't take so long before they break off. But this time, yeah, some of them are still here, most of them are still broken off though, but meh, it's 50-50. That's what I can say. Okay, so now for my hair, one thing I can say is that for my hair, I did see most of the growth in the hair region. To be fair, I was also putting my hair growth oil on my hair throughout this period. I didn't want to, operate in a vacuum, because no matter what, I'm still going to have to oil my scalp. I'm still going to have to oil and seal. So I was like, I have my hair growth oil, I might just as well use it. For those of you who are wondering what it is, it's a DIY hair growth oil that I made. I'll try and set a picture if I find it. But I put that on my hair to oil my scalp. I give myself a scalp massage. I use to oil and seal, moisturize and seal my hair as well. So I was also using that during this period. And with the ingredients in that, I can see that it also did help with the results that I saw with taking collagen. Moving on, um my hair, yes. I'll try and insert a picture or a video of how my hair was during my relaxer update. It's been 30 days now, and my hair was on the 4.5 line when I had my haircut. And right now, I am pleased to announce to you that my hair is at the 5.5 line, getting to the 6 line. So I'm happy because then it means that I'm getting very close to, you know, going back to brush up length. Because my hair was brush up length when I cut, like it was past brush up length. It was on its way to mid back length when I cut it. So this time I am not going to cut my hair. I will be trimming it, but not having like drastic haircuts like I did initially. So that's basically what I can say about me and collagen. Do I love it? Yes, I do. Would I be taking it again? Yes. Now I'll be taking MSM. I did talk about it that I will be taking MSM in my relaxer update video. If you miss it, this is why I should watch my videos. But I'll be taking MSM for the rest of, my relaxer stretch. I'm currently 4 weeks post relaxer, so I have a good, I can say like 14 to 10 weeks. I mean 10 to 14 weeks left to go, depending on how long I want to stretch for. I might stretch for 16 or 14 or 12 weeks. It all depends on how my new growth is feeling. But for now, I can say that I'm going to be stretching for more than 10 weeks. So for the next 60 days, I will be taking MSM. So I will come back with a 30-day update and then a 60-day update again. I remember the last time I did an MSM video, I did not include the before. So some people did not know what exactly I was talking about. But this time that will be included. So if you guys will be joining me on my MSM hair growth challenge and you want to purchase MSM, if you're in Ghana, hit me up on Instagram. I have some available for sale. You can contact me also at Tresses and Trinkets on Instagram. I'll provide the links to all that in the description box, so make sure you check it out. If you want some of the MSM, say hi and I would hook you up so that we can start this hair challenge for 60 days with MSM. Also with my hair growth oil, I'm going to put on my hair every day. Like this time I'm very aggressive about growing my hair back, so put it on my hair every single day. I'll be coming back with an update, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. As always, NanaYaa Tresses, be sure to subscribe, like the video if you haven't already, join the family, and share this video with anybody who is skeptical about trying collagen and they want to see a first person review, because it's very honest. I'm gonna tell you as it is, okay? As always, the night and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.